Bitcoin is pumping right now. I'm actually getting some alerts hit as we speak. The question is, will it hit 38K? This is what we'll talk about within the video. This video is no financial advice. If you want to copy my trade, it's free and you can get 10 bucks. Just use BitGet, my sponsors, in the description down below. You can actually copy other people's. You can see their trades. You can see all of that. Just check the link in the description down below. I'll show you why I believe we'll hit 38K and why we're seeing something very, very interesting in correlation with the US 30 and what's happening around it during the US session. So as you can see right here, I'll pull up two things. I don't want to confuse you with too much indicators. I want to show you the VWAP, basically the volume weighted price, and the visible price range. And I want to show you a price discrepancy that we are seeing between the 38K area and basically the 30K area that we are at right now, and why the 30K area is an accumulation zone despite what people want you to hear, right? You can see and you can check well stats, and you might notice that whales are not acquiring as much Ethereums as they used to, right? You can see buy volume versus sell volume. Most whales are actually selling right now, but I'm actually disregarding the fact I'm zooming out and I'm thinking about the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is that we managed to use the 30K accumulation zone that we just broke out of, as you can see right here, pretty much a few days ago on the basically yesterday, 30th of May, we broke out of. And today it was a very tough session since 8:30 New York time. We had a very, very hard to trade and to scalp use session for scalpers. It was hard, but if you manage to accumulate right here, you're all Gucci. And from here to here, we basically dumped. These were all liquidations and stop losses from 38K all the way down to 30K, which I believe can very quickly be new liquidations of shorts back to 38K because of the volume discrepancy that we have in between the two numbers. Also, we have VWAP. We're moving above this line. If we move above the purple line with a close of the candle on the 6-hour chart, it's going to be very bullish. If we open up a few indicators, you see that VWAP is now curving up. And my price target is actually 38K. I'm not going to be buying Bitcoin, buying altcoins instead. I just had some alerts going on. I actually want to see how they are performing on the 15-second chart because I actually want to take some profits out. And I just might do that. Kind of missed the trade. Basically got the alert and decided to record instead of taking profits. So yeah, it's down 1% since here. I'll probably wait a little bit before taking profits because we're still heading up. You shouldn't really use the 15-second chart. I only use it to actually take my profits when I hit the alert because I want to see what's going on the macros. Probably going to sell here on the first red candle. That's okay though because we are pumping again. I'll probably have two alerts set right here. One if we go below 4155, and I'll also have one if we touch the high for this session. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Love you guys and girls. See you next one. Bye.